Hey future RNs, ready to conquer the NCLEX-RN on your first try? We're diving deep into essential tips to help you rock that exam and get that shiny new RN license. So grab your stethoscope, your lucky scrub top, and let's get this party started. First things first, you gotta know what you're up against. The NCLEX-RN tests your critical thinking and nursing judgment. We're talking multiple choice questions, maybe some drag and drop, and even those select all that apply that make you second guess everything. We'll break down the content areas from med-surg to PD so you know exactly what to expect. Now it's time to channel your inner organization queen or king. Just like a well-stocked crash cart, a solid study plan is your secret weapon. We're talking setting realistic goals, finding that perfect study spot, and figuring out how to squeeze in study sessions between your already crazy schedule. We'll show you how to use the NCLEX blueprint to prioritize your studies and make every minute count. Choosing the right study materials can feel like trying to find a vein on a dehydrated patient. There are so many options out there. We'll break down the pros and cons of different resources and help you create a study plan that works for you. Alright future nurses, it's time to unleash your inner test-taking ninja warrior. We're about to equip you with strategies that would make even a seasoned nurse proud. We'll teach you how to quickly assess those questions and figure out what needs your attention first. And of course, we'll cover pacing yourself because nobody wants to run out of time on this crucial exam. You know the drill, nurses. Practice makes perfect. It's time to put all that hard-earned knowledge to the test and get cozy with the NCLEX format. We'll show you how to analyze your results, identify those pesky weak spots, and adjust your study plan accordingly. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty, shall we? The NCLEX-RN loves to test you on those fundamental nursing concepts, so it's time to brush up on your basics. We'll dive deep into disease processes, nursing procedures, and those all-important lab values. Okay, let's talk about something super important. You. Yes, you, the amazing future nurse who's working their tail off to pass this exam. We're talking healthy habits, fueling your body with nutritious foods, getting enough sleep, and squeezing in some exercise. It's the moment you've been waiting for. Game day. All those late-night study sessions, practice questions, and self-care have led up to this. Channel those positive vibes. You've got this. Get a good night's sleep, eat a healthy breakfast, and arrive at the testing center with plenty of time to spare. Take a deep breath, trust your instincts, and remember everything you've learned. Remember, future nurses, you're not alone in this journey. Building a solid support system is crucial. Join study groups, share tips and tricks, and maybe even shed a few tears. Whether it's a tutor, a mentor, or even just a friend who's willing to listen, having someone in your corner can make all the difference. And there you have it, future nurses. You've officially reached the end of our NCLEX-RN prep journey together. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. You deserve it. Remember, you are all smart, capable, and beyond ready to rock this exam. Good luck, future nurses.